The James Webb Space Telescope is shaking things up. The most advanced telescope ever created by humankind to observe the universe has once again pushed the boundaries of what we understand. By looking deep into the night sky, it captures light that has traveled for millions of years, bringing with it secrets from ancient galaxies. Recently, theoretical physicist Michio Kaku drew attention when he spoke of an revelation. The James Webb Telescope has detected a disturbing signal coming from the Andromeda galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor. The implications of this discovery throughout astrophysics, cosmology, and even philosophy, leaving many experts excited but also uneasy. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates. The signal in question is not just another burst of radio waves or gamma radiation, nor is it the typical noise associated with pulsars, black holes, or quasars. It was described as an anomalous and highly structured burst of electromagnetic energy, with patterns that defy natural expectations. While many signals from deep space tend to appear as random pulses or constant streams of energy, this emission showed signs of intentionality, constant intervals, modulation patterns. The James Webb Space Telescope is shaking things up. The most advanced telescope ever created by humankind to observe the universe has once again pushed the boundaries of what we understand. By looking deep into the night sky, it captures light that has traveled for millions of years, bringing with it secrets from ancient galaxies. Recently, theoretical physicist Michio Kaku drew attention when he spoke of an astonishing revelation. The James Webb Telescope has detected a disturbing signal coming from the Andromeda galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor. The implications of this discovery throughout astrophysics, cosmology, and even philosophy, leaving many experts excited but also uneasy. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates. The signal in question is not just another burst of radio waves or gamma radiation, nor is it the typical noise associated with pulsars, black holes, or quasars. It was described as an anomalous and highly structured burst of electromagnetic energy, with patterns that defy natural expectations. While many signals from deep space tend to appear as random pulses or constant streams of energy, this emission showed signs of intentionality, constant intervals, modulation patterns, and a spectral distribution that suggests design, not randomness. The very idea that a signal could have been designed shakes the foundations of what we believe about the universe and our place in it. What makes this signal even more fascinating is its origin. Andromeda, also known as A1, is a spiral galaxy located about 2 years from Earth. Its characteristics with the Milky Way, including size, structure, and type of stars. The significance of Andromeda cannot be underrated. Not only is it the closest spiral galaxy to ours, but it is also merged with the Milky Way within billions of years. If intelligent life exists in Andromeda with the ability to the way we understand our cosmic neighborhood, analyzing the signal, a repetitive pattern was discovered that lasted for several weeks. Something never. Radio bursts have captivated us for years. They typically last only milliseconds. Signal, however, with almost rhythmic consistency. Its frequency spectrum showed modulated binary coding, similar to the ones and zeros of our digital communication. Many scientists, the idea naturally is becoming increasingly difficult. Even the most conservative voices within the scientific community, peer review, do not deny the nature of the case, added urgency to the discussion. Theoretical physics to the public often speculated about the future of intelligence in the universe when he talks about a civilization's scale, which measures a civilization's technological advancement based on its energy use. A type civilization can use all the energy of its planet. A Type 2 civilization can use the energy of its star. A Type 3 civilization, the energy of its galaxy. Was really created by intelligence? It could be evidence of at least a Type 1 civilization, or more advanced. The implications go far beyond a possible first contact. They open up the possibility that we are not alone trying to understand the universe. The presence of another intelligence capable of creating a signal millions of light years would be a radical change for science. It also challenges the paradox. If there are and potentially habitable planets and we had contact yet, the signal does not provide a direct answer, but it does change the landscape. The technology of the Webb telescope also plays and operational. It was designed from the first stars and galaxies. Its infrared capabilities make it ideal for cosmic dust and ring structures invisible to previous telescopes. It has already revolutionized our knowledge of star formation, exoplanet, and galactic evolution. But this signal from Andromeda represents something else, the possibility that Webb could also be a tool for technosignatures, indicators of advanced civilization. Since the discovery, observations have been redirected to the area of origin to obtain more data. If the signal continues or evolves in ways that reinforce the hypothesis of intelligent origin, it will usher in a new era of research. Collaborations between observatories, governments, and different disciplines would quickly form to study the origin, content, and purpose of the signal. Some are already speculating whether it is a greeting, a warning, or a beacon seeking attention. Ultimately, this signal raises a deeper question. What does it mean to be alone or not? The idea that humanity is unique has been both a source of comfort and existential angst. A confirmed signal from another intelligence would shatter that solitude and change our view of biology, consciousness, and evolution. It could also unite humanity in ways we cannot yet imagine. Local borders and conflicts would seem trivial in a new cosmic context. Philosophers, theologians, scientists, and world leaders would have to rethink many things. Even the mere possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth forces us to reflect on ourselves, our values, and the legacy we leave behind. The scientific community now walks a fine line between skepticism and wonder. Science demands solid evidence, especially for such shocking claims. But even amid there is a deep sense of wonder. The structure and persistence of the signal remain unexplained. Artificial intelligence algorithms have been used to analyze it in detail, looking for patterns and anomalies. Preliminary results indicate a complexity exceeds what would be expected from natural phenomena, such as pulsars or magnetars. Some are even talking about trying to decode segments of the signal, although that idea is still highly speculative. Meanwhile, questions about its point of origin remain open. The signal appears to come from a dense area of stars near the core of Andromeda, a region rich in ancient stars and extreme conditions. For a long time, this area was believed to be inhospitable to life. But if a civilization achieved a much higher level of technology, it could have found a way to survive and even thrive there. Another theory suggests that there could be an echo, a last attempt at contact from an already civilization. And further, the signal was not even meant for us. Considering how long it takes light to travel through space, it is possible that the transmission was intended for another point in the universe. And if so, we are accidental listeners to a cosmic conversation. That leads us to another question. How does an advanced civilization communicate? Would they search for habitable planets directly, or would they send out, hoping that one would be picked up by someone listening? The emotional impact of this discovery cannot be ignored. Astronomers and scientists believe an intelligent source thing. It completely changes our scientific narrative and who we are after decades of speculation, research, and sometimes ridicule. Projects like SETI have long been on the fringe